Welcome back, Etsy sellers. You have just entered into our fourth and final part of our Etsy email marketing series. First and foremost, if you have not watched the other first 3 parts of this series, I am going to highly recommend that you stop watching this video right now, head to the description, watch those first 3 parts. I promise you nothing we say today will make sense to you, so go watch those first. Through this journey of our 4-part series together, we have talked about how to create and manage a welcome sequence, how to create auto and single campaigns. We also talked about how to utilize the Grow tab of EverBee email to be able to get as many subscribers as possible and be able to speak to them in the way that they need to be spoken to and present them with products that are going to make sense for their journey. In today's video, we are going to wrap up all of that in a very pretty blue and orange EverBee bow and teach you guys exactly how to build out a nurture sequence that will literally get you through the entire year of exactly what types of emails you should be sending out to your subscribers on a monthly basis. I'm also going to give you guys a ChatGPT prompt that I personally use in my own business on a monthly basis so that we can work smarter, not harder, utilizing the power of AI. So if that all sounds like something you're interested in, let's go ahead and dive right in. First, let's go ahead and dive into some different examples of what you can send on a monthly basis. The purpose of nurture emails is to quite literally nurture your subscribers, to make them feel valued, to give them valuable content. Tell a little bit about who you are and why you started the shop. Tell your origin story. Why are you here? Why does your brand exist? What makes you different than everybody else? But tell your story in a customer-centric sense. Share success stories or reviews from other customers. You can share your unique value proposition, what makes you different from other sellers in your space. You can do some storytelling and tell a story that took place in your shop last week, last year, 5 years ago that makes sense for what you're currently selling in your shop right now. So those are just a couple of examples that I've personally used and my clients use on a monthly basis to be able to stay top of mind for their subscribers. So now we're going to get into the AI prompt that I personally use on a monthly basis to be able to generate a 10-part nurture email sequence. So what I'll go ahead and do is pop the link to this ChatGPT prompt in the description. I promise it works. I use this myself and I'm going to actually show you exactly what this prompt shot out from my own business. So what you're going to do is say, I am a blank seller on Etsy and I need you to create me a 10-part nurture sequence for my email subscribers. Set me up as the authority in blank space so they have me top of mind when they're ready to purchase blank products. All of these different things that are in parentheses are something that you are going to fill out for your business. So I'm going to show you exactly what my prompt was. Once I filled in those blanks, you'll see all of them are currently bold. And then on the next slide, I'm also going to show you guys exactly what ChatGPT gave me based on this prompt to prove to you that this is something that absolutely should work for your brand as well. I'm a digital product seller. This is what I want you to build out for yourself. Everything that you see here that is boldened is what you are going to build with your brand in mind. Once we go ahead and click enter on this prompt, this is what is going to come up. So I built this very intentionally for you guys. I am asking ChatGPT actually build you guys out a table that has the subject line for the email, the topic of the email, purpose of the email, as well as the call to action that we want to take place from that email. Like I said, I'm going to pop this in the description so you can add your information to it, and then this is what is going to generate for you. Once you have that generated in ChatGPT, you can start asking him, go ahead and create me the subject line, the preview text, and the body copy of email 1. In this particular case, email 1 subject line is from 9 to 5 to 11K, my unconventional journey. The preview text for that first email, discover the secrets behind my leap from the corporate world to online success. You'll be able to see, again, topic of email is the origin story. Purpose of the email was to build rapport based on my own individual journey. And then lastly, you'll actually be able to get ChatGPT to build these out for you. Please keep in mind, you will have to give ChatGPT as much information as physically possible about your brand, but I have made it very easy for you guys with an exact prompt and exact locations and parentheses of exactly what I want you to input so that ChatGPT can give you the best output. Now that we have all of this built out, it is time to start adding them in and scheduling them out. So what you're going to do is go to EverBee.io and make sure that you are in EverBee email. From there, we're going to go ahead and click New Single Campaign. And of course, like we discussed in the past, you can either click Send Now or Send Later. I am going to pretend that we are batching these emails for May, so let's go ahead and click Send Later. And I'm going to select May 1st of 2024 at 11 a.m. For the to line, you can type in different lists or groups that you have here. So now this email that we're going to create together today will be sent to everybody on the prospective buyers list that has a freelancer resources tag associated with them. If you do not know how to do a tag or how to build a list, go back to part 3 of this series where I do a deep dive on exactly how to do that. Now we're going to go directly back and begin building the email. Here is the subject line. Here is the preview. Now we can start actually building out the copy. So I'm going to go ahead and simply just copy and paste this into EverBee and then make my changes from there. So at any time, all you want to do is click Add Content below, and you can click Text in this case. And I'm just going to paste in what I got from ChatGPT. As you can see, this looks a little weird, so we can split this up with dividers. We can split it up with images, whatever you want to do to make this make sense for your ideal buyer. All right, so now I have finished curating the email exactly how I want it to look. You'll see I have used one of the little triggers to show the shop name. And I also put a little PS at the bottom because, again, we want to utilize this nurture sequence to add as much value as possible, but the nurture sequence can convert subscribers to buyers. So at the end, I put PS if you're ready to blank, but have no idea exactly where to start or have no idea what to buy, whatever your call to action is. I've built these 3 products to blank. So I'm speaking directly to my potential buyers, and based on all the things that I talked about in the email, they might be feeling a certain type of way. Now I'm going to present them with 3 different products that are going to further be able to make this email even more valuable to them. Once you're satisfied with the email, you can go ahead and either click Schedule below, which will allow this email to be sent to these people on May 1st at 11 a.m., or you can click Send Test or Save as Draft. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope that you loved this 4-part email marketing series and it was beneficial on your journey. If you did enjoy this 4-part series, go ahead and drop email 4 in the comments below so we know that we are curating content that is helping you on your own journey every single week. Also, if you did like this video, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel where I go live for you guys every single Thursday, and we also post videos just like this for Etsy and e-commerce sellers every Tuesday. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.